So if you have some data collected, then you can use Google Sheets to find things like your averages or your measures of spread or even your quartiles. Obviously, if not, you can use your GDC to do it. So if your data set is like this, then the GDC is probably fine. But if you have 50 pieces of data, for example, then it's too long to be typing it into your GDC, and that's where Google Sheets can come in. So if you're wanting to find the mean, then to do that, we do equals. All formula in Google Sheets or spreadsheets start with an equals, and you're just going to type average. And the average is the mean, so it will automatically open your brackets, and you're just going to select your data and drag it down and then close your brackets. So this is finding the average of this data set. So we can see the average or the mean. You can do the same thing for the mode. So for mode, we do equals mode. And then again, we select it, we select our data, we close our brackets. Now, if you have an NA like this, it just means that there is no mode, that nothing appears more than once. We can do the same for the median. So for this, we do equals median. And again, we drag our data and we can use that same kind of method of input. You can also do the same thing for the standard deviation. So standard deviation is equals STDEV, which is just here. So standard deviation. And again, you're just going to select your data and find the standard deviation. And we can even do it for the quartiles. So for the quartiles, you do equals quartile. And then for this one, you're going to select the data, but then we need to do comma and find the quartile. So we're selecting the data, comma 1. Now this will give us the first quartile. And then if I do for the second quartile, equals quartiles, and I can select my data, comma 3. So this will be my upper quartile. And now I have my upper. So now I can see the Q1 value and the Q3 value. And obviously if I did Q2, that should be the same answer as the median. So it just means that I have more information in terms of, instead of having to use the GDC, I can use the Google Sheets as well.